This sounds crazy, but let things be. Kale, what do you mean by let things be? You know what's funny lately? I feel every emotions na hindi ko inaasahan na mararamdaman ko siya all at once. I'm not gonna lie, gusto ko agad-agad, maayos agad. I want the solution to everything. But you know what I realized? I don't need to do anything. I just need to let things be. Let the people be who they are. Make the right decisions if I have to. But I don't need to control everything. And you know what I realized? Happiness and pain can coexist. Isn't that beautiful? Even when you are hurting right now, you can still be happy. You can still smile. So yeah, it's part of being alive. Feeling every emotion kahit ayaw mo. Yeah, sometimes it sucks, but that means you're alive. So yeah.